celebration food for my two puppies. They are chips and pink salmon. I bake for them. This is the table setting for my two dogs, and they're very excited for the food. And my horse there. Yes. So this is their table setting. They're waiting for the food. Ready for your New Year's dinner? I can't wait. Here they are. Yeah. Come on, shrimp. Eat shrimp. Tank is already eating. Yes. They love their favorite fish. Where are you going, Tank Boy? You're out of your plate. This is Tank. He's a boy, and they are sisters. Here's my dogs. They're my inspiration. And a few moments later, the plate is clean. Yay! Happy New Year! Yay! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys, from Blue and Skeeter. Happy New Year to them, Blue. Happy New Year!